how to hide YouTube channel and its contents. Let's see how it's done. First, click the YouTube profile image. And next, click the Settings tab in this list of options. And in this page, you need to click View Advanced Settings link. And next, you need to click Delete Channel link. To continue with the process, you need to enter the login details for security's reasons to confirm you're the rightful owner of the channel. Next, in this page, you will see two options: how you can hide your YouTube channel, and below, how to delete your YouTube channel and its content permanently. When you choose to hide the channel, you get to hide only the videos and your channel video playlists, but the channel profile and banner and its handle will be visible to everyone visiting the channel. To confirm hiding the channel contents, select these tick boxes and click the Hide My Channel button. And done, the channel videos and playlist will be made private and hidden until you unhide it. And done, I will be getting you more videos of different topics like this, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below the video to get new updates.